What is this weather alert now?
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Another
for
severe
Central
thunderstorm
Hunterdon
warning?
County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, western Mercer County in central New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, east central Montgomery County in
Come on, please
southeastern
go Bucks
Pennsylvania,
County.
Bucks County in southeastern
Yeah.
Pennsylvania, northeastern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. At 6:32 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Gardenville to Palmyra.
Storm's coming now.
At 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Trenton, Camden, Bensalem, Ewing, Willingboro, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Doylestown, Byram, Riverside, Palmyra, Hatboro, Bedminster, Flemington, Jenkintown, Chalfont, Tincombe, and Bordentown. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exit 6 and 6A and near exit 7A. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 341 and...
Okay, guys, I don't see a thunder.
Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 25 and 40. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 13 and 19. Interstate 195 in New Jersey near mile marker 0. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers...
I think that's just an airplane.
Between mile markers 53 and 61 and between mile markers 70 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Hunter, and Mercer, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. The severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Bucks County is canceled. The storms which prompted the warning have moved out of the warned area. Therefore,
There's another storm moving into the area, though.
a severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northwestern New Jersey and eastern, southeastern, and northeastern Pennsylvania. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the entire coastal waters of New Jersey, issued at 6:11 p.m. Saturday, April 22nd. Tonight, southeast winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 25 knots, becoming south 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to...
I think this here is the thunderstorm.
Becoming southwest late. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Southeast swell 2 to 3 feet at 5 seconds. A slight chance of showers early this evening, then scattered thunderstorms overnight. Showers overnight. Sunday, west winds...
We're not in the direct path of the storm, though.
4 feet.
I don't think so.
Swell 2 to 3 feet at 6 seconds. A chance of showers in the morning. Sunday night, west winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. South swell 2 to 3 feet at 6 seconds. Monday, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming west in the afternoon. Seas 2 to 3 feet. South swell around 2 feet at 6 seconds, becoming east at 8 seconds in the afternoon. Monday night, west winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. East swell around 2 feet at 9 seconds. Tuesday, northwest winds around 10 knots, becoming west.
Plane right there.
Seas 2 to 3 feet. Wednesday, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming
Was that lightning?
seas 2 to 3 feet.
Don't think so, though.
Showers after
I wish it was, because then that would be nice. Be pretty cool, though.
seas 3 to 5 feet. A chance of showers. Winds and seas higher and near thunderstorms. The current time is 6:30.
Guys, I'm gonna pause the video for now.
Here is the official National
Let me
Weather
check my
Service
battery.
forecast for Upper Delaware Bay, issued at 6:11 p.m. Saturday, April 22nd. Tonight,
Alright, 80% battery.
with gusts up
Not
to
that bad.
25 knots,
Alright, guys,
diminishing to 10 to 15
I'm gonna go inside for now. I'm gonna pause the recording. I need to use the bathroom. I'm gonna get something to eat.
3 feet until midnight, then 1 foot or less.
So I'll see you in a bit.
Showers and scattered thunderstorms until midnight, then a chance of showers.
Okay, guys, I'm back. This is what's changed. Nothing really has changed.
New Jersey
Except look over there. It looks dark.
and near exit 7A. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers
But I don't really know if, like,
59.
the storm is gonna continue.
Pennsylvania between
over my area, but is it like raining? I thought it was like raining a bit. Don't feel any raindrops. Is that thunder? Oh, by the way, guys, I also brought some Cape Cod chips and sparkling water. Just in case I get hungry or thirsty. Still a severe thunderstorm warning until 7 p.m. I think I'm gonna stay out here, but I'm gonna end the video and I'll record the video when the storm gets closer, or when it arrives, or if there's like another alert. Then if there's like another tornado warning alert, then that's when I'll start recording again. Alright, guys. So thanks for watching this video. I'll be recording again later. See you.